Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Morning, morning all. Okay, look here. I have a file in uh, etcm.repos.t server A. Come to server B. I've same file in server B also etc/m.repos.t. I just want to delete this file. I just want to delete app.repo from both of these machine server A, server B. Planning to write a small script, so you have to help me for that. Vim, I'll say like file delete. Okay, so delete dot yml. Ansible edo command is enough, but I just want to ask you from this, that's the reason. Okay, please tell. I just want to write small play to delete two files from two machines. Help me to write script for that, please. Hmm. Someone, please try. Please try. Manohar, Anu, Kalia. Hello. No answer. Mr. Anu Mohan, please help me to write a script to delete a file from two machines, server A, server B. Hmm? Then how you people attend this exam? Exam is very tough. RSCE exam is very tough. Answer exam. Okay, if you're not interested, no problem. Let me just continue. I'm not creating it. Leave it. I don't need.
Sir, please do that, sir. I don't know that how to do it.
That's what I don't know. Means we have already almost finished with 60%, 60 to 70% almost finished. So now I'm just asking. It's very simple, really, very simple. It's not simple, very simple. Okay, if you're not able to give answer for the simple, you know, play what to do. Difficult, right? Moving forward, write a script, write Ansible play to delete files from. Okay, 3 4 lines. That's enough, really. Okay, deleting a file. Horse sales task. Simple task. Deleting app. Okay, I'll just say like deleting a file. No problem. Okay, which module can be used? File module. Okay, and first is what? Path. And just give the path of the file. Path of the file is /etc/m.repos.d/app.repo. This is what I want to delete. What state equal to absent? That's all, yeah, absent. This is what I ask. If I give a task, will you do it? No, you will not do. You will ask me to do again in next class. See, I've told you, if you're interested, I can give you tasks daily. But I believe you're not interested. Don't feel as I'm criticizing. I'm not criticizing. You try to understand the truth. Okay, you are spending your time and spending your money, not my money or like my time. So be careful, okay? So I'll just try to execute this. I'll delete it. Go to this machine and check. Very simple, right? So then how you will write, I thought of to give a task today, but install and configure NFS. What to do? Understand, don't ask me to show, I will not show because it is really like a project. You must, install and configure NFS. That to AutoFS, you have to configure AutoFS. Understanding? It's not a big deal. Think if you're ready to think, you can do it 100%. You know how NFS is configured manually? You have to just automate it with the help of Ansible. For that, you must know some module name. Most of the modules we have already learned. Understanding? If not interested, nothing can be done. Now, what I'll do is I'll just, fire yesterday's play again report.yaml. So this will create a file here, right? This will create a file here, both. Just entering again. So it will create a file on both report.yaml. Create it. To create file is created, new file. Just cat to soft.repo, sorry. Cat /etc/em.repos.d. Okay, soft.repo. You might be remembering. Look here, there is one message, right? Or we say like comment. There are commented line. It's commented. Look here, commented. Begin Ansible managed block. End Ansible managed block. So this is automatically added by Ansible. Okay, this is just to identify whether a file configuration or regular file is managed by Ansible or not. There is no way to avoid it, but this is not going to disturb you because it's a commented line, so no problem. Just to identify and okay, Ansible managed files. So here I'm just going to show you how do we replace, delete, okay, insert after, insert before. Okay, that is a main main practice of this really this chapter. I've told you this is very small chapter, understanding. So I just want to show you how do we delete a particular line from multiple machine from same file. How do we replace a line in multiple machine? How do we replace a line in configuration file on multiple machine? Or how do we insert a line after or before a particular expression? This is what we are going to learn today. Understanding? So if you come to this machine and just to say cat /etc/em.repos.d and file name is what soft.repo. Oh, sorry. Cat. Okay, showing, right? So what I want is, I just want to replace a particular line. For example, I just want to replace GPG check. What is GPG check now? 0. I just want to replace GPG check. Instead of 0, I just want to replace with GPG check 1. Okay, I just want to replace GPG check 1. I'll show you only 2-3 examples. Remaining, I'll just give an idea. Try to do practically self. Understanding? If you need any helps are available in Ansible documentation website. Just type in Google Ansible documentation. Understanding? Complete help manual means examples are available there. Understanding? Again, if you're not getting, ask me. I'll send you the proper URL. Understand? No worries about it. I want to replace GPG check equal to 0 with GPG check equal to 1. Let's try that. I'll write a simple script for that. I'll say replace line.yml. I'm going to replace a line. Okay, so first you have to specify, you have to give 3 dashes and name of the place, replacing, testing replace, testing line replacing. Okay, host sales department machine. Tasks, only one task. Task is, name of the task is replacing a line. Okay, spelling mistake, forget, no problem. Okay. And next, what we have to use line in file, because I want to replace a line. Then you may ask, Ashraf, I want to replace an entire block. Understand? No problem. Block means what? Number of lines. More than one line is called block. Block of lines. Block of lines. One line only. So line in file is used to insert, replace, delete, insert after, insert before a line. That's all. Okay, understanding? And what is the use of block in line? Block in file. Block in file module is used to insert block of lines, replace, delete block of lines, insert block of lines after a particular expression and before a particular expression. Understanding? So line in file module is used. Next, what you have to do is you have to mention expression. Expression means, you have to mention the path of the file first. Path of the file is /etc/em.repos.d/ soft.repo. This is a file. Next, you have to mention which line you want to replace. So you have something called regular expression, REGEXP, regular expression, and just to say what GPGCHECK equal to 0. This is what you 0. This is what you want to replace. Clear? You want to replace this. So you have to mention the line which you want to replace in regular expression. Later, you have to say with which line you want to replace. I want to replace with a particular line. That line also should put in single or double quote. Line is GPG, CHECK, GPG check equal to 1. This is what I want. GPG check equal to 1. Okay, finally, you have to say state. Okay, it's no need to give because replacing means present only, right? Okay, present. Replacing a line means present. Okay, if you want to delete, absent. So what I'm doing, I'm just trying to replace a line, an existing line, that is GPG check equal to 0 with a new line GPG check equal to 1. Let's try. Also, you try to understand, in this particular file, this particular word is, this particular settings available twice. It's available here also. Understanding? So I'm just going to save this. I'll save this WQ, and I'm just going to play this particular Ansible hyphen play replace line. Okay, it says done. Okay, just give again. Look here. Okay, GPG check. Okay, replace 1 second. GPG CHECK equal to 0. Okay, I think it's because of space. Look here, space also will read. Understand? Sorry. Space also will read, okay? The expression is not matching. That's the reason this happened, okay? Then it will be inserted. If replaced in Word, it will be inserted. Let's see. Okay, check again. Okay, look here. Last one. Okay, this is actually a question, okay? Look here, last one is replaced. Okay, this is not replaced. There is GPG check here also, right? GPG check. You have an option called first match. First match will replace, okay, replace what? The match first. Understanding? Look here. Replaced. GPG check equal to 0 replaced as. So if you want to, change the first one, okay, you can use what? First match. If you want to change all, you can give all. So there are options for that, okay? So if you want to imagine there are 10 times GPG check equal to 10, okay, GPG check equal to 0, this particular settings available 10 times. If you want to delete, sorry, if you want to replace and selected one, that also you have an option. Understanding? It's very easy. Okay, if you want, I'll send you one URL. URL contains complete example. Okay, only one thing you have to use first match. Okay, matches like this. Arguments you have matches equal to all means everything will be first match. Only the first match. Understanding? If you're not mentioning anything, the last match will be by default. Okay, changed. Last match. That is default actually. Understanding? So like this, we can replace one line multiple line. If you want to do multiple line, that is your risk. Okay, we can't do everything in classroom because we need minimum 3 hours then. Understanding? So I'm just introducing, and if you want more example for practices, it's better you can just search in Google Ansible documentation. Oh, sorry, Ansible file in block in file in sorry, blocking file and line in file module Ansible documentation. Then you will get exact, you will reach an exact position search. You will have a lot of examples. You can just go through the examples one by one. Complete script will be available. Understand? So next is I just want to show you how do we delete a line. I just want to delete a particular line from this example. I just want to delete a particular name equal to app. Apropos. I just want to delete this name equal to apropos. Let's try. For that you can write, I'm just writing again new one. It's very easy. You have to just tell the regular expression and state equal to absent. You have to just say regular expression, and you have to say, what I'll do is I'll just try to do is try to do with this what is it like Ansible addo command. Else we can write play only. That's good idea. I'll write play because play is taking time. I'll just say like delete a line dot ym. Okay, spelling mistake, forget, pause. Line in file module is used, and path of the file is first one. /etc /m dot propose dot d /soft dot propose and regular expression just to say like I want to delete name equal to app apropos example. Name equal to there is space here also. name equal to apropos, close it. And just to say like what state, okay, absent. That's enough. Absent, state equal to absent, then this will be deleted. Here also you can use first to match, matches all, understanding, and also you can give the another regular expression like example. I just want to delete a line which is available below, after, or before a particular. That also all possible. Understand? There are many examples for that. Okay, I'll just enter. Sorry, I'll just select delete. Delete it. Okay, and if you just come here also delete it. Next, I just want to show you how do we insert a line. Okay, I'll show you after or before. I will not show both. But if you really want script for everything, I have ready script because this is really simple. We don't want to waste our time for this. Okay, you must try to insert multiple lines. I mean, insert one line, multiple line, insert one line, multiple line after and before a particular expression, and delete a particular line. Delete particular line which matches first. Okay, delete particular line after or before particular expression. Everything possible. Complete, a complete codes are available in Ansible documentation website. Only one thing you have to take and copy paste. No need to even type also. Understand? You can copy paste and keep proper indentation. Run it. Understand? Sometimes you will have to change the expressions because their example expression, your example expressions will be different, right? So try it. Next, I'll show you. I just want to add a particular line after a particular expression. Example, I just want to, you see here, enabled equal to 1. Enabled equal to 1. Enabled equal to 1 is available here. Else, example. Yes, I just want to add GPG key. I just want to add a line. Line is GPG key, and I'll just give the file path. I want to add it, after enabled equal to 1. So try to understand enabled equal to 1 is available twice in this file. One is here, one is here. Okay. So here also you have first matches, second matches, all are available. So here we have little difference. Look here, I'll just write. I want to insert after enabled equal to 1. Okay. So let's try this. Insert after. Same way you must try insert before. Okay, I will not show that. I'll just say yeah, YML. Same thing, only the keyword different. Insert after, insert before. Okay, so module name is same, line in file module. First of all, you have to give the path of the file. That is first /etc/m dot repos dot t slash soft dot repo. Soft dot repo. Enter. Next, what you have to do is you have to mention insert after what expression. That is important. I'll just say insert after. Insert after. So if you take help manual of line in file module, you can realize. Okay, insert after. you can mention the what expression here. So what is expression? Enabled equal to 1, right? This is expression. Let me check whether space is there or not. Enabled equal to 1, there is space. There is space. Enabled equal to 1. This is the expression. Okay. So listen well, please. In this expression, I should put in single or double quote. That is mandatory. Example, you are not sure whether E is capital or not. You are not sure whether E is capital or not. You are not sure. Then you have an option. You can just open one optional bracket and just say capital E or small e. Clear? And also you don't know whether it is okay, 1 or 2 or 3. Even I don't know 1 or 2 or 3 or okay, I don't know anything. Then what I can do is I can just put 0 to 9. Understanding 0 to 9. 0 to 9 means it will search for 0 to 9 plus, okay, its combination also. If it is 10 or 11 or, you're getting my point. You are not sure whether it is capital E or small e, then you can mention like this in bracket, square bracket. Okay, you are not sure whether it is enabled equal to 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 10 or 100, you don't know. So any, so then you can give like this. But in our case, we are sure, okay, we are sure it is, okay, small letter E, right? Small letter E enabled, and it is enabled equal to, okay, like this. So many expressions we have really, okay, and many things. And also, I forgot to tell you, sorry, I told you something wrong here. You have to mention in bracket, you have to say like 0 to 9 and close the bracket. You have to put plus, then only it will search for 0 to 9 and its combination. Understanding? If you just put only 0 to 9, only 0 to 9 only will search. Anyway, in our case, it is 1. So this is what the expression. Okay, after we want to, insert a new line. So you have to just say what line you want to insert. I want to insert that line also. I should, okay, mention in single or double quote. It is GPG key. Simply adding GPG key equal to, just to give the path slash, okay, root slash key dot txt. Example, we don't have any file like this. I'm just giving an example. And finally, you have to say, if you want, you can just say like first match. So first, okay, first match of this particular expression. That's the meaning. Okay, I'll just say first match. Sorry, first match. Yes. Okay, if you're not giving, understanding all matches. So there are little difference. Okay, next what I'll do is I'll just say state equal to present, because we are inserting, so present. Understanding? So I'll just save this. Let me just take Ansible documentation. Ansible hyphen documentation line in file. Okay, just enter. Okay, you can see here first match. Backup is a backup for creating duplicate file. Okay, I don't remember all. There are so many options. Okay, insert after, insert before. State should be present always. Understand? So it's very easy, really, very easy. Okay, so there are so many arguments, so this particular, I'll just come out, and here if you just I'm just adding backup in this. I'm just adding one more line in file. Okay, I'll just say here backup. So it's just to create, okay, just to create like copy of it. Okay, copy of this file. It will create copy of this file, and name of the file, name of the copy would contain the date also, today's date. Understanding? Okay, I'll just say backup. Okay, yes, name of the file. Okay, let's try this. I don't remember this well. Okay, I'll just try to execute Ansible hyphen playbook. Enter. Okay, one second. Fail and support parameter line in first FIR. Okay, spelling mistake. here first match. Okay, you just go to this location first. I'll just say ls. You can see one more file is created. Look at the file name, soft.repo, understanding. So I'll just say cat soft.repo first. Sorry. Soft.repo. Look here, GPG key is inserted after enabled equal to 1. And enabled equal to 1 is available here also. We have mentioned first match. So first match only. Okay, I inserted after first match. Next you see, I'll just there is soft.repo something. Okay, one more file. Look at this file. This file is actually backup. So before changing, before making, so it's really good idea, right? When you are trying to make changes on the real configuration file directly, it's better you can take backup of that. So if something happened, no worries, you can just, restore it. You can copy complete content from that particular file and paste into the real one. Understanding? So, understanding. So this is what backup. Like this, many options we have. Understand? So please try to practice. For this, we need to practice. That's all. And it's so simple. Okay, you may have a lot of doubts like how to insert. I just want to insert after random lines. There are so many things like this. Really, complete examples are available. You have to just go through it, copy paste. Even no need to type completely. Copy paste, make adequate changes, run it. That's all. Because we cannot go through all. So, and also you can try with insert before, insert after, insert before. It's same. Okay, regular expression, insert before, understanding. Same thing, no difference. I will not show copy module, fetch module. We have already learned well. I will not repeat it. Okay, copy, I've explained yesterday. Line in file, we have practiced something. Block in file also practiced yesterday. So line in file, block in file. Just a difference, block in file is used to insert multiple lines. Line in file is used to insert single line. Next, I'll show you last module, which is mentioned in our syllabus. There is one more module actually. That module is for setting SC Linux, SC Linux context. That is SC type. Sorry, I don't remember SC type or something. Okay, SC type or SC type is actually, it's actually this argument. SC type is actually argument of the file module, I think. SCF context or something we have to change the. So you may ask, right? You may ask, sometime like, how do we change? I just want to change the context, SLNX context of a particular file in 100 computers. I have 100 computers in my environment, and I just want to. There is a file available in all 100 computers, and that particular file SLNX context is now Samba something. I just want to change to HTTPD. How? Okay, if it is one, you can, okay, this is 100, right? So changing on 100, either you can use what, Ansible Edo command, or you can write a script. So we will not be writing script for, this kind of, simple things. This is actually, we want to do this change only once. So it's better you can use Ansible Edo commands only. Understanding? So I think it is a SCF context. I mean, SCF context, SEF context. SC means SC Linux, F context, file context. Okay, and I don't remember its arguments. Please don't ask me now. I don't remember. But module name is SCF context. So you can try it. It's really easy. Okay, just a search. Now you can search. How do we change the context of a file by using Ansible? Understanding? Then you will get an answer. SCF context module is used for that. Okay, then you can just search what are the arguments of it. Understanding? So probably we will have to give the file path. That is important. Okay, try it, please. Okay, the last is stat. Okay, stat module is used to know the status of a file. Like you have a file. You just want to execute. You just want to Do you just want to run some task on file based on some of its property? Understanding? Someone is saying, like if it is a text file, when it is text file, when the size of the file, I just want to delete, I just want to delete some files which has, okay, size, you know, uh, I've heard there are so many files which size is, 10 MB. I want to delete all 10 MB file. What to do? Understanding? I want to delete all 10 MB files. So first of all, you must know, how do we know the size of the file? How do we find size of the file? To find the size of the file, it's better you can try to take the status of the file. So stat module is used to know the status of file. After, once you know the size of the file, you can simply use the loop, right? You can use the loop. Understanding? You can use the loop. Understanding? So I'm not going to show you deleting all 10 MB file. If you're interested, try to do. I'll show you how do we how do we know the size of the file or any other attribute of the file. Okay. Now let's take a file. Let's take an example slash etc slash passwd file. We know passwd, right? Let's take this etc passwd. Okay, passwd file. So I just want to gather. I just want to fetch the stat. I just want to know the status of this file. Status means complete information. Okay, created payment date, modified payment date, access payment date, and size of the file. So okay, and extension. Complete things will be visible in JSON format. JSON listing. Let's try this. I'll write it. Listen. I'll take only one machine. Sorry, one machine is enough. Okay. Server A and task. First task is first task. I'll just write the task for what to like stat is enough, right? I'll take the status. That's enough actually. Or else we can make it more comprehensive by adding extra task here. You can add extra task for making it more. Okay, just to say like displaying status of slash etc slash passwd. And what I want is I'll use stat module and just to say the path of the file. This path of the file is slash etc slash passwd. Okay, and just to say okay, I'll just use register variable. Okay, sorry, I'll use register variable. Let's see. I'll use register because this command will have an output, right? Okay, stat command will have an output. Register variable. Register variable name is result. Okay, what I'll do is I just want to print. This is enough actually, but I just want to print the content of register variable on screen. For that, I'll use debug module. Okay, I'll just say printing content of result variable on screen. Okay, and I'll just say debug. We have used many times. Debug module is used, and So now we have a variable, means contents are available in variable. So I'll just say where, okay, where, and variable name is enough. What's the variable name? Result. Okay, next what I want is, I just want to create, okay, let's try to create a file. I just want to create a file in opt of server A, server B, opt of server A, server B, and that file must contain contents of the result variable. Okay, any idea how do we do this? Listen well again. What I want is, I just want to create files. I just want to create file on server A and server B, and that file must contain, in opt of server A, server B, file must contain content of the result variable. Which module can be used? Any idea? Which module is used to? Which module is used to create file with content? Which module is used to create file with content? Which module is used to create file with content? It's really pathetic. Okay, I'll just say like name creating file with the content of result vars. Well, use copy module can be used. We have used copy module many times. I'll just say content. Okay, I'll refer variable. What's variable? Result variable. And destination I'll give slash opt slash status. Okay, file name is status.txt example. Next, what I want is, this file will be getting created in opt of server A, server B. Understanding? I just want to fetch that file to the, okay, workstation. Which module is used? Fetch module is used. Okay, hyphen name fetching file. I'm simply adding, that's what I said. We don't have these things. Okay, I just want to show you only first one, but I'm just simply adding some more examples here. I'll just use fetch module for this. Fetch module is used, and first source is slash opt slash status status.txt, and des destination. I just want to fetch into slash opt of like workstation. Okay, ask if any questions, please. Anything. I'm ready to repeat also, is not a problem, but ask please. If I want to repeat, there are, for simple task I've added here. First task will, you know, uh, will list all properties of this file, status properties of this file. Second task will print the content of this register variable result on screen. Third task will create a file with this result variable content. Fourth task will, okay, fetch the file from created file from server A and B to workstation. Okay, you're not asking questions, so I believe you have understood WQ, and I'll just execute it. Ansible hyphen playbook stat. Okay, before that, just go to ls/opt. Okay, there is one directory, that's all. ls/opt. There are multiple directories, but is there any file by status.txt? No. Let's try to execute it. 1 second. Register. Done. Look here. First, okay, first word, first task, displaying the status. It run in idempotent because it will not make any changes, right? Collecting the information of a file means not changing. So that's the reason showing in idempotent, green color. And these are the details. Look here, if you want, like if you want to know if you want to know the size of this file, you can see here, the time, created time, understanding. So you can actually extract the time from this, okay? And block, and you can see there are so many information. This size also available somewhere here. And let me just tell you one example. Uh, refer any of these properties, you can refer result dot result dot stat dot, okay, anything, block or attribute or anything, at time, access to time, understand, gid, anything, understanding. So what I'm saying is you can use any of this, you can refer any of this variable, understand, result dot stat dot any of this, understanding. So that's the purpose. Okay, you must try the same way. What, create, to keep, some files in server and server b which has 10 MB, more than 10 MB size, okay, and try to delete them with the help of loop. Let's try, understand. I will not show you can try. I have a complete code with me, you try it. Okay, if you have tried and it didn't happen, then I'll share the code. I'll show and share the code. Okay, I'll explain also. But you're if you're not even trying at all, then no use. Okay, now just go to server A, check. Yes, status.txt is created. And if you just cat into this status.txt, it will show in comma separated here because, okay, it is in comma separated. Okay, complete properties are visible here, but in comma separated. Understanding, comma separated value, CSV. Okay, same file is available here also, OPT. Oh, okay, we have given server A only, right? Sorry, server A only, okay, server A only. And finally, what happened, we have requested to create a file, created a file. Next, that file should be fetched to this machine. Just to give ls/opt of your, look here, server A. Just to say ls/opt server A. Okay, then opt is there. Just to give opt server A, opt again. You can see there is status.txt file. Understanding? So this is what, okay, sixth chapter. Okay, here you will have to practice more compared to other chapters. And this is the one mostly used in offices because, okay, this is specially used. I mean, the modules which we have learned always used for manipulating the configuration files, or not only manipulating, for creation also. So what I'm saying is, okay, you must practice really more and more. Okay, and there are so many examples available. And also I'll share PDF now. That PDF contain 2-3 examples. Remaining examples you can collect from the Ansible documentation website. Now you are on track. Okay, you must try to automate any of your day-to-day task in Office if you are working on Linux. You can try. Okay. Ask if any questions. If no questions, I'll move to the next chapter. Next chapter is managing large project in Ansible. One moment.
Okay, so you can ask if any questions. So this is managing large projects in Ansible. So in this, we are going to, you have a lot of theory and testings. Okay, we will learn how exactly Ansible engine is, executing the task. Okay, on each managed host. There is something called parallelism and rolling update, and we will discuss about static and dynamic file again. Inventory file again, and also we will learn something called play modularization. These are the four concepts we have in the seventh chapter. So we need maximum 1.5 hours for that. That's all. Okay, so tomorrow is Thursday. Thursday by Friday we'll finish it. Okay, next is eighth chapter. Eighth chapter is what? It's like 1.5 hour. That also we need 1.5 hour for eighth chapter. Ninth chapter we need only maximum 45 minutes. So maybe coming Tuesday we will finish this. Okay, we will finish the course on coming Tuesday. So I'll stop here today because I just want to office a bit early. You can ask if any questions, please. Manohar.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You can try to one second. Okay, you can try to share your screen now. I have maybe 5. Now its problem is solved or what?
No, sir, it's not solved, sir.
What's the problem now? You tell.
Sir, I can't set the password to root user, sir.
Root user password.
Yeah,
You
sir.
have set password while installing, right?
Yes, sir. But it's still hanging, sir, laptop. But I have 4 GB RAM and i3 processor, 8th generation, sir.
I'll
But
tell you. You must increase memory of your machine. Then only you can. 4 GB is not really enough.
okay.
I have told right initially, minimum 6 GB memory is required, and give 1 GB for. And initially, anyway, for Ansible we need 3 machines. So if you have 6 GB, 8th generation is really good. But if you increase at least 2 GB or 4 GB, you can really do everything faster. And also you might have kept in all 3 machines are GUI or what?
GOA, sir.
All 3 are GUI. Hello.
Yeah, sir.
All 3 machines are GUI. All three like
No,
this. All 3 are GUI.
no, sir. No, no.
How many machines are CLI like this?
I think I'm not checked, sir. Once again, the process are not showing, sir. That's what.
Do one
I
thing.
will. One thing, sir. I will share my screen, sir. Can you check that?
1 second. Let me just conclude this. Okay, we'll meet tomorrow. I'll just unshare.
Okay.
Okay, you can just share your screen now, please.
Okay.
Share, please.
One second, sir. Sir, are you getting, sir?
Showing my screen. You minimize this. Okay. I think your screen is visible now. You open VMware.
Yes, sir. Okay. Sir, it's visible now, sir?
No. You unshare and share it.
One second, sir.